And for more than 20 years, the Truck Jam franchise has been invading Southern California with the hottest car and truck shows. And today's show is no exception. We're at California Jam at the Park in Anaheim, California to check out all the hottest rides that Southern California has to offer. They've got late model vehicles like the ones we work on the show, as well as a bunch of classics and motorcycles and everything else. So let's go check them out. I'm here with Pierre Hoffman, who's the president of California Jam Events, and we've been coming to this show for years. We're going to ask him what's going on with this show this year and in the future. So Pierre, what's going on here today?
Well, today we're having California Jam at the Park. It's hot rods, cars, and trucks, and pretty much any kind of vehicle you can imagine is here. So you have motorcycles, trikes, semi-trucks, hot rods, you name it. So we just try to make a park to where everybody from every different field can come out and enjoy it.
This is a one-day event.
Yeah, it's a one-day event. We are thinking about possibly doing a two-day event as far as doing a truck show one day and then the California Jam at the Park the next day.
Okay. Now, what do you got lined up for the future?
Well, we actually have a couple of things. We're doing some very unique trophies. We're doing laser engraved trophies, and the Best of Show actually gets their car in a rendering, and we actually create a trophy that will be rendering of their vehicle in a trophy.
That's pretty cool. Well, thanks for having us back every year. We appreciate it, and let's go check out some more rides.
Well, let's go.
All right.
So Motors TV, they're actually covering the event. I'm going to let him come up here and kind of talk about his TV show that he has, and then he's going to give out his Choice Award.
Thank you. Hey, Motors TV is a show. It's a DIY show. We have it on TV every Sunday morning. It's also on the internet. And it's a half-hour show. We show you how to do things to your vehicle from late models. We're going to start doing some classics as well. So stay tuned for some classic action. But I appreciate all the stuff that you guys have done to your vehicles. We checked out every single one of them, and it was unanimous. The Motors TV Choice Award goes to a 1956 F100. Number 135, Slade Hawks. That's why we were lingering so long. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Check out the Motors TV website to watch all of your favorite episodes and more, and talk with other viewers online in our popular forums area. Catch the latest news and information surrounding the show, as well as the entire automotive industry. Take Motors with you on the road with our free app available for the iPhone and iPod Touch, and win free parts by entering in our monthly giveaway. It's all right here at www.motors.tv.